Getting viewers in your chat. All right, get back to you so I can get ready. Yeah,
dude, I'm game for whatever. What? No, we don't want to do it. We don't want to force it. One time we do that, you know what's going to happen.
You can do the black diamond. You got it. You got it.
Whatever, man. Either way, that's what's going to happen.
I think I might put the hood on though.
Okay.
What's up? What's up, chat? What's up? Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, shopstormpainter.com for all of our latest merch. And I appreciate all of you for stopping by. Drop a comment on your favorite part. Smash